Doknong Agartala Munduri Lojama Prishta Promok Malayung Panda Klaisaka ITI Thung Noklawo Armajaga Shaltang Tripani Lokshabo Batani Biplab Asale Pando Khong Nisini Nukuni Khorok Bachibrwi Butar Congress Yakshi Botol Yakari BJPo Para Rovega Lapshoginarka Protest BJPo Kasko Rajipoto Charjo Shaltang Tripura Lokshabo Batanai Biplab BJP Protest Tangpakjak Papia Dotto
Shebok nangai tongnai eba sebok rutugu tongnai rongnai bagai belekino kaham koktuma Monday kairai Don Bosco Higher Secondary School shebok nangai tongo shebok tlangjangnai jerok musungnai borok khorenggai mano shebok tlangjangnai eba teachers recruitment engkha English Geography Maths Science Computer kok borok tei History qualification postgraduate with B.Ed jerok B.Ed gna borokno kubang kok dorok rejangnai Koimung eba application runani paithak date engkha 20 March 2024 logi biodata nangnai haike jerok shebok rutugu tongo borok khorenggai mano nikuma Don Bosco Higher Secondary School kairai pin code 799045 Monday West Tripura Gov Recognized Institute email dbsmonday19@gmail.com www.donboscoschoolkairai.in phone number 977-455-8569 take is a Kokdo number 60096210053 take is a Kokdo number 897407561 Admission Katal 2024-25 academic year ni bagai admission katal chengirekha Monday kairai amse tongma Gov Recognized School Don Bosco Higher Secondary School limited seat no available tongnai first come first preference admission ni last date 26 March 2024 hake dakti krungdi jane busabuti rongno admission khlaide di Monday kairai Don Bosco School nikuma Don Bosco Higher Secondary School kairai pin code 799045 Monday West Tripura Gov Recognized Institute email dbsmonday19@gmail.com www.donboscokairai.in phone number 977-4558569 take is a Kokdung number 60096210053 take is a Kokdung number 89740756141